Hi everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a very common issue for the MDX as well as for many other vehicles. The issue is that leather or fake leather wrapping the central console armrest bubbles up with time. Due to heat and humidity affects the glue that attaches the material to plastic. I myself use the armrest quite often, so after a while it started happening to me as well. As you can see, the leather is pulling out from under and in between the lid space and creates bubbles, which does not only look bad, but it also quite annoys me when I'm trying to open the lids and then close them because leather gets in the way. Now of course the proper fix would be to disassemble the box by taking the lids off and properly gluing them back after cleaning up remnants of the old glue and putting everything back together. And I promise you I will do that sometime in the future. But in this video I will cover a super quick and easy interim solution for the issue. You will only need two types of items for this: several old plastic credit, debit or any similar type of cards, preferably having a similar color to your console, and large scissors. Let's roll! So what you do is you cut the plastic cards you have into about 1/2 inch strips. Once you have the strips ready, stuff the loose leather back into the lid and make it tight with the plastic. Holding the leather on the top so it doesn't go loose again, stuff the plastic strips one after another into the gap and make them flush with the edge, so they do not interfere with each other or the lids themselves when closing. Once you have all the strips in place on one side, repeat for the other one, if you have two. Now that it's done, you can easily close and open the lids and continue using armrests with no issues. I have had this solution in place for about a year now, and the leather only started to become loose again just recently, so I decided to redo it and make a video out of it. Of course, it's not a permanent solution, but it works for a while. As I mentioned, I will be fixing this more permanently in the future, so stay tuned for that video. So there you go. If you have this issue and would like a quick and simple fix, now you have it. Have you had a similar issue? If so, have you tried to tackle it? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos on this channel. As always, drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time.